Hi guys, welcome to this amazing design section with Pexels. My name is Sunday and I'm a Pexeler. All right, in this section, we are going to be talking about an amazing topic, and it has been a topic that has been in question for a long while. And today I'll be here to dissect this topic, explain it, and make sure you are here understand this topic. So just sit back, relax, and let's dive in. So let's go. Today's topic, we are talking about the intersection between AI and UX design, or between AI and UI UX design. So as a UI UX designer, I've seen posts, I've seen trends, I've seen conversations around AI taking our job and people being scared of losing their job because AI is kind of threatening to take their job. But then you always see another set of people or another people with the belief that AI cannot actually take my job. I'm smarter than AI. I know nobody is literally smart, but then there are people that believe that AI cannot replace them because of how much value they bring. So today I'm just going to be walking you through how AI affects us as UI UX designer, we as UI UX designer, how AI affects our workflow, how we can simplify things, and show you some practical example of how you can use AI to what? To simplify your workflow. And basically, don't think I'm just doing basic things. I'm trying to show you things that you have not done before that you might not know. Trust me. So just sit back and relax. I'll show you some key things that AI can do that's going to wow you. So let's dive in. So first of all, we say the future of AI in UX. We say AI is here to stay. AI won't replace designers, note that, but will boost creativity and efficiency, helping them focus on innovation and user experience. So AI is not here to replace designers, no, right? It's not here to replace designers, but it's here to boost your creativity and your efficiency to help you focus on innovation and user experience. So we now say, we said AI power tools. So how is it going to boost your efficiency? Through AI power tools. I know a lot of people would have experimented a lot of AI power tools. Yeah, you might have used some, you might have enjoyed some, you might have feel that some are just confused about the kind of results they generate. So when we talk about AI power tools, tools that are powered by AI can automate some work process or some workflow and give you less stress, or give you, like, there are things you bother yourself about before that you can literally use AI to solve in seconds. Although it's not a cheat, but then you must learn how to use it well and know how to also do the manual parts. Okay, why? Sorry about that. But then coming back, we said this tool helps us with user research, content suggestion. Sorry, hold on for a second. User research, content suggestion. So AI can literally help you with user research, content suggestions. Yeah. So you could suggest the content that you want to, maybe for your text, maybe for your button size. You could literally get suggestions from AI. So example is Figma AI suggesting a button design for you instead of you creating one from scratch. So most times it used to happen to me when I was still a junior designer, just coming up into the industry. Then whenever I go to maybe the Figma community, or I go to maybe material design, design system, I go to a particular design system or a particular resources to go and pick inspiration, or to go and pick resource that I want to use for my design. Sometimes I kind of feel guilty because you just look as if you are lifting somebody's work. But then at some point when you grow, you realize that it's not a norm for you to do everything. You definitely have ways of simplifying your work process. So we say these tools help us with user research, content suggestion, image enhancement. So if your image is not of high quality, there are AI tools that can help you bring it, like scale up the quality, and even copywriting, text and all that. So these are some things that AI, just some, and I'm going to show you practically how to prompt and how to use some of these AI tools for some of these things we're talking about. So moving to the next slide, we said machine learning. Let me remove this for you. Machine learning in UX research. We say let's talk real data, right? AI can analyze heat maps, user flows, and usability tests faster than ever. Some platforms can identify user pain points just by reviewing interactions pattern. Okay, I remember when I used to, like I started a design challenge this year, I used to do that design challenge. There was this my friend that used to keep me company. So she always be with me on the Figma file. We'll do the challenge together, maybe through the night when she's doing another thing. She'll just come to my own file, check on me. Sometimes we gist and all those things. But it got to a point she was really busy and she wasn't coming again. So I had nobody to review my design then, but I had to give it to AI to review, and it was doing a good review because AI did not replace woman, but then it could give powerful insights about how you can improve your design and just get things to work better. So we say, let's talk about data. AI can analyze heat maps, user flows, usability tests faster. Some platforms can identify user pain points by just reviewing interaction patterns. So there are a lot of things that we have to unveil about AI, right? But we cannot treat everything in this video. That's why you need to be anticipating other episodes that are coming up. But then let's move to the next slide. All right, so we say how designers can collaborate with AI, not compete. So how can we collaborate with AI? Because there are a lot of things that AI can do for you that you don't know. And you may not believe me. But rather than being scared of AI, like fearing AI, designers should see it as a co-pilot. Yeah, and like an assistant. Yeah. So in this episode, we'll explore how to use AI for speed, inspiration, automation, while keeping human-centered thinking at the core. So now let's dive into a practical example of how to prompt AI and use AI to simplify our work process. But this is a cheat. And don't say that I was the one that taught you. All right, let's just dive in. I was kidding anyway. But this is my Cloud AI. In case you don't know this bot, it's called Cloud. Yeah, so I don't know if it's Cloud or Cloud, but then let me just call it Cloud AI. So if you don't have this tool, you can download the app or you can use the website and just sign up and you get started. So I'm here now and asking, how can it help me today? If I just say, okay, fine, I am building or designing. If I say building now, it might bring the results in code. I am designing an e-commerce mobile app or websites. Let's go websites. Websites in Figma. I want you to run a competitor analysis. I'm designing an e-commerce website in Figma. I want you to run a computer analysis on the top 3 e-commerce websites in Nigeria. Or let's even break it down. I know I'm speaking to a global audience, but let's say in Lagos, yeah, let's make Lagos State the center. I want to see how AI can actually niche down and utilize this information well. So if we say in Lagos State, do a SWOT analysis and usability audits on it. So let's dive in. Okay, let's just give it a final prompt. Generate the results in image or as an image. Sorry, I said an image as an image. Stay in call, please. As an image. Result as an image. So let's dive in. Let's see what AI can actually do. Let's see what AI can do here. Let's see what AI can do. So you can see it's giving us the data and it's going to bring it out as an image. So let's just hang on to see what Claude AI is really up to. But then you having this guy as a research assistant is so amazing. I don't want to praise Claude here, but then this particular AI, when it comes to research, right, is so smart and it's like the tool really amazes me most times when I use it because the way it's a bit more human, yeah, for me, because it just breaks down all the concepts of what you're trying to sort out, gives you and breaks it down to your understanding and simplify it. And it's very fast and is an intelligent one. Like this Claude is very, very intelligent. So we told Claude AI or Cloud AI, it says this is the top 3 e-commerce websites in Lagos. So these 3 guys are in Lagos. Wow. So it says Jumia, this is their strengths. This is the usability audits. This is what they have. Yep. So you can see it's sorting out problems. You can see it's sorting out problems. It said some users report slow loading times during peak period. Filter functionality could be improved with Jumia. Let's just focus on the problem. Don't mind me. Because we are actually solving problem, right? And we are not here to praise these products. So some reports apps crashes and login issues. This one says less structured user experience compared to traditional e-commerce. That's GG. Wow. All right. So it's now giving suggestions for improvements. So let's keep prompting that say, okay, create the low fidelity wireframe for each of these platforms checkout process. Give me the results as images, as image. Okay, give me the results in image formats, I think. Formats, all right. Okay, in image formats, without omitting any screen. All right, so let's dive in. We told you to create the low fidelity wireframe for each of these platforms. So we understand the checkout process for them. So it's going to do that. It's going to write the code. You can see it's going to write the code out and generate the screens for that. So let's hang on why it's loading. So as that is loading, let me just take a second to tell you a bit about Pexels. So if you have not heard about Pexel, Pexel is actually the top design school in Nigeria. Yeah, I'm going to say design school because we do other stuff, but not really yet. We are focused on design. So if you want to learn on site in a very conducive environment, AC, everything is intact, well taught facilitators, like very organized staff, a clean and friendly environment with so many amazing guys in it. So you could check out Pexels on Instagram, follow on Twitter, just check out the video, see what they're doing, check the IG, see the kind of students we produce and the track record of the people that have learned under us, where they're actually working. So there's a lot of things you get from having to go through their classes. Even they provide internship after classes. So I'll be looking for you on the Instagram page of Pexels. And if I don't see you there, you might not find this next episode for these videos. So just hang on. Thank you. So let's go back to our Claude. Okay, our Claude is still generating. Yeah, it's still generating our results. So while we are waiting, you could just go to your Instagram. You could just type Pexels. Yeah, Pixels Design School. You could find us. You could just follow the Instagram page. You could go to our website, register. We have office in Ibadan, Abuja, Lagos, different locations. So you could make inquiries and you can become a Pixel student anytime soon. But it's the best place you could learn design. Let's be serious. It's the best place you could learn design. So going back to our prompts. Okay, our prompt is still cooking up, still cooking up, still cooking up. We wanted to do a very scary task. And I don't know, it might not be able to do it, but let's see if Claude can actually solve this problem for us. So these are how powerful AI bots can be. They can create low fidelity wireframe. They can compare different platforms. They can run analysis. Like, one thing about AI is AI cannot show you what it can do until you prompt it. So you discover different things by prompting that, okay, can you even do this? Let me try it out. So just be innovative sometimes. Try different complex prompts and know the capabilities of your AI tool that you're using. There are a lot of them out there, but this is the one I recommend when it comes to research, user research. I recommend Claude. So it has generated the results. Now let's see what it's saying. It said when you get to Jumia, you see the products now that you want. You see the subtotal, see the shipping fee and total. If you use Jumia, you know that this is how Jumia is. So this is correct. You say proceed to checkout. You can now log in. When you log in, you just input delivery information and you continue. When you continue, you get this delivery method. On this delivery method, you can see the amount you choose. It's actually designing Jumia for us. Pay with card. You could pay a place order and just confirm your payment with your PIN or anything. Then it says Konga. Konga. This is Konga. So it did not give us the correct it did not give us the correct user flows for Konga, like not complete Konga and even Gigi did not complete it. But then this Jumia, I finished Jumia, maybe because of the space or there's a limit on what it can do. So if you want to prompt it, it may be better if you prompt it one by one to bring this result for us. But I believe that on this video, you have learned something new that you never knew that AI could do for you before, right? If you have a question, just drop it in the comment box and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, my name is Sunday and I'm a Pexelers and hope to see you at Pexel Design Schools anytime soon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do have a nice day.